Hello, it seems that this 1.8 knob board is quite popular. I already started to do some paid work with it, and I also decided to share with you this user interface which can be used to control things remotely. People are complaining that this board doesn't have free GPIOs, but this approach is quite common today, approach in which one elegant board with screen is used as controller and another one like this one is placed in some box with many nasty wires. Data can be transferred with ESP-NOW, Bluetooth, Zigbee, or even better, we can use a server. ESPHome is a good example. I will also try to explain how to make these meter widgets in LVGL, but first let's see our project. The last video about this board was quite popular. Thank you to everyone who bought the board using my affiliate link. It really helps support my channel. If you are a creator or planning to become one, you can also join the Waveshare affiliate program. This way you can earn a commission whenever someone buys a board through your link. Just make sure you are offering something valuable in return. I always try to share my code, tips, advices. And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my content. And in this project we are controlling this RGB light. So this is cheapest board Waveshare produced, ESP32 mini board, $5 board, and it has built-in RGB light. And here is my interface we can use to control this RGB LED. So we have 4 gauges or 4 LVG meters. With one I can set brightness of LED, and these 3 are used to set colors: red, green, blue. So I can set amount of red, I will decrease green, and I will decrease blue, and now we have nice red light. Current color can also be seen here, and for testing we can increase all 3 colors and we will have nice white color. Very simple. I wanted to show you how to use these LVG meters, and we will check code, because this widget is not available in Squareline Studio, so you need to make it manually with code. I will share both code for board with built-in RGB, and I will also share, of course, code for this knob board. As you can see, code for blinking LED or for mini ESP32 board is very short. We have ESP-NOW installation part, and loop is empty, and on message receive it will change color of this RGB LED using this function. It is very simple. And code for knob, it is quite complex because it is long, but as you can see in Squareline Studio there is not whole user interface because meters are defined in code. This is only part that is defined in Squareline Studio, and meters are defined here, for example for meter 1. And this can be at first look like mess, but I also prepared, I will also share with you this file which shows how to use one simple meter. So what you need at the global variables, you need to have this meter and a needle object, and inside loop you can change value of meter of needle using this. You will need to change this variable. In this case it's called speed. Here you can set size of meter, position, scale. In this case we will put it from 0 to 100, and ticks. Don't afraid to use ChatGPT or something else to explain, because I had lots of problems with these ticks and with these scales and ranges, and ChatGPT explained me everything. And I forgot to mention, after you initialize whole UI, you need to call this function to initialize these meters. Like I said, don't forget to check this original code. I will share whole folder, and you can see that after touch is initialized and LVG and LCD, I need every meter to be called separately. Also, you will need to brightness function. It looks complicated, but it's not. We are using 2 cores, which are defined here. One core is just reading rotary encoder, and one core is just used for LVGL. I hope this will be helpful. For libraries and settings, you need to go here to Waveshare. Sorry. At the end of product page you have this wiki site, and here you can see all example. Here you can see which version of ESP32 boards you need to have installed, higher than 3.2. And here inside of here inside of this demo, in this zip file, you will find libraries and everything you need. I hope this was helpful. All links are description, so have fun. Goodbye.